Sign that. Raise your credit scores instantly with Experian.
Wow, my score went up.
Thanks, you saved me money.
Experian. Free. Go to Experian.com.
A message from the U.S. Early Tsunami Warning Center. At around 4:30 p.m., a tsunami with a magnitude of 9.5 on the Richter scale had occurred on the coast of the Philippines, producing a 2-mile-wide tsunami expected to impact the territories of Guam and the Northern Mariana Islands within the next few hours. All residents who live in all coastal areas of the warned areas must need to evacuate to higher ground immediately. This message will repeat every 30 minutes until the tsunami arrives.